So this is the Hilton Garden View in Sudbury, Ontario. I'm on the 6th floor. Very nice room. It's got everything that you would expect. Ironing board, good sized closet, additional drawers. Very nice roomy washroom. It's got a nice lit mirror. Spacious vanity. Really like this shower. Looking forward to taking a few showers. So this hotel does have a nice restaurant. They actually have live entertainment tonight. Also has a good sized swimming pool and a gym. Centrally located. I have a keg right across from here. A Kelsey's, a Costco, a Walmart, A&W, pretty much everything. Coffee houses. Nice TV. And look at that. They even welcome me as a Hilton Honors member with my name on the TV, which is pretty nice. It's a nice touch, that's for sure. Good sized room. Very comfortable mattress. There's the keg. Got Costco across the street. Silver City movie theater. So after I have dinner and check out the band, I think I'll go see a movie. Across the street we have a Staples, PetSmart, Dollar Tree, Montana's, Home Depot, a drugstore. Yep, everything you need. Pretty nice. Nice large desk for working. Yeah, very nice room. Very happy with this room.